I would like everyone to check out this project that I've been working on. It's a dedicated page that I set up on my website, and it can help you access recovery mode on your Android smartphone or tablet. You can use it without ever installing ADB and Fastboot tools on your PC, and you don't need to type anything into the command prompt either. Honestly, I'm just really excited to show you all how it works. The only things that you need here is a PC that can run a Chromium web browser like Chrome, Brave, or Edge, and you need a USB cable to connect your Android device to the PC. That's required because we need a browser that supports the WebUSB protocol, and that's the same thing Google is using for its Android Flash Tool website. So, when you're ready to begin, pull up the webpage explainingandroid.com/recovery. And I'll be sure to have this linked down below so that it's easy for everyone to find. This user interface may change slightly over time as I continue making tweaks to the design, but the framework should now be in place for it to work properly with this project. You have a terminal log window at the bottom, and this allows you to follow along so you know exactly what commands are being sent to your phone. And the first step here is to enable developer mode on your smartphone. This is something that I've covered here in the past, but most Android devices can turn this feature on by locating the build number entry within the About Phone section of the Settings application and then tapping on it around 7 to 10 times. Continue tapping on it until you're told that you are now a developer. But if this is not working for you, be sure to let me know about it in the comment section below. With that done, the website's going to tell us that we need to enable USB debugging mode. And this is a toggle within the newly revealed developer options menu, which most people will be able to find within the settings application of their phone. Some OEMs tuck this away behind the system menu as well, so keep an eye out for the developer options menu. As you're looking through this menu, find the USB debugging toggle and enable it from here. The next step tells us that if we haven't done so already, connect the phone to the PC with that USB cable, and then we can click through to the last option as we're told that we need to select our device from the list that appears in the pop-up. And as long as your computer has the proper USB drivers installed, and as long as you have followed the steps outlined on this page, you should see your phone appear in this list. Click it, and you'll be able to secure the connection required here. Just be aware that this connection will need to be confirmed via this screen here. And that's actually standard for USB debugging connections on the PC with Android. The log will then tell you that the connection is successful, and the card here tells you that clicking on this blue button will reboot your phone into recovery mode, just as you would expect. So go ahead and click that button, and the website will send the command to your phone. You'll see your Android smartphone reboot. After a few seconds, the vast majority of you will see this broken Android screen here. This is your stock Android recovery mode screen, and it works as a protection layer of sorts for those times when you may have accidentally booted into recovery mode. But we can bypass this splash screen with a simple 2-button combo using the volume up and power button. This process does tend to require specific timing, So be prepared to attempt this a few times before getting it just right. I have had the best success by pressing and holding the power button, and then almost immediately after I press that button down, I also press the volume down button. This 1-2 combo usually works the best for me, but all phones are different. So if you're having difficulty getting past this screen or even getting to this screen, then again, let me know down in the comment section below so that I can help out. If this is the first time that you have ever accessed recovery mode on your Android phone, then congratulations. There is a way to do a factory data reset from this menu, but it does require multiple confirmations, so I highly doubt that you'll do this accidentally. But you are going to need to use the volume up and volume down buttons to change which option is highlighted in this menu. And pressing the power button will select whichever option is highlighted. I recommend checking out the various options that you have available to you here, but when you're ready to leave recovery mode and boot back into the Android operating system, you simply need to make sure that the start option is highlighted up here, and then press the power button to select it. This will cause your smartphone to restart, just like you're normally used to. I only see this menu here because I have unlocked the bootloader. So just be prepared to watch your phone boot like it normally does, and you'll see the Android lock screen appear after a few seconds. When people need to access recovery mode on their Android smartphone, most of us end up having to take time to research the correct button combination, and others need to set up ADB and Fastboot tools on their PC so that they can execute ADB commands on their device. But not everyone wants to do this. So I hope this page on my website will help those who just want to access recovery mode without a bunch of other steps involved. I've got a lot of other ideas for this type of feature on my website, so look forward to other tools like this for tasks like accessing Fastboot mode, unlocking the bootloader, and a lot more. And please share your thoughts about this tool down in the comment section below, because I just put this together this weekend, and I suspect there will be a number of edge cases that will need to be fixed. So let me know if this tool works on your device or not.